Hey, what's up you guys? It's your girl Taina and welcome to the first ever Taina's Tech Talk video. Now, I know what you're wondering. Did Taina just create a whole new segment just so she can do an unboxing video? Yes. Yes, I did. And I do it again. Yeah, that's right. I just edited my whole intro just for this video, and it was so worth it because I'm so excited to be unboxing this bad boy. Now, who knows, maybe I'll use this segment again in the future. It could happen, okay? But before we get to this bad boy, we gotta talk about this bad boy. Now, the computer that I'm currently using is a 11-inch MacBook Air early 2015 edition. I got it refurbished my junior year of college, and it's treated me well these past few years. Like, it was a good, solid computer. It did what it needed to do, and I respect it. But recently, it's been acting up. It gets really, really hot doing like the smallest tasks, and it gets really, really loud when those fans kick in, trying to cool it down a bit, and it's annoying. And it's also started to do this thing where if I'm trying to watch a movie or anything full screen, it'll like split it in half and then tilt it sideways, making it impossible to watch. And then this thing has the audacity to shut down on me without permission. Like, what? But really, the main reason why I decided to switch is just the fact that I've been editing videos recently, and a MacBook Air isn't the best device for that, just because it's not. It, like I said, it shuts off and it's so slow. Like, rendering my videos when I've done all the edits and I'm trying to put it together will take hours, like 6 hours at a minimum for like a 5-minute video. And I've watched videos about people complaining about how, like, oh my goodness, this one took 2 minutes versus this one took 10 minutes. I'm like, boo, I would kill for 10 minutes, because when it's doing its thing, when it's rendering a video, I can't touch it. If I touch it, if you have like 2 hours left, it will stay as 2 hours for as long as I'm using it to do something else. It's honestly terrible. It's way too time consuming and I can't fade it anymore. So I got a new computer. And also, I don't know, see, the thing is, the straw that broke the camel's back was when I was editing a video. It was 99% done. I had 3 minutes left to go. And I turn around, and I'm like, okay, 3 minutes, whatever. I turn away, I turn back, and the screen's off. I'm like, oh, I went to sleep. I press the space bar, and nothing. I'm like, that's weird. So I press the power button, starts up again as if it's starting up again for the first time. I was upset, right? Like, what are you doing? So at that point, I realized that it shut off at like the last minute of the rendering. So I had to re-render the whole thing over again, so it took another 6 hours to redo the video. And that was it. That was it for me. I was like, you know what? Nope. This is not my life. My sanity means too much. I need to get a new computer. What are you doing? What is that? This? Oh, it's nothing. Is that a new computer? No, no, of course not. What happened to the plan? The plan? Yeah, the plan. You know how you were gonna save up and buy a new computer as a present to yourself on your birthday? Right, no, the plan. How much was that computer? The computer? How much did the computer cost? Yep. All right. I'm good. I think she might be upset, but I'm super excited. Okay, let's get started. Okay. Oh, very nice. Didn't even have to use the pen. Alright. Pick that up later. Oh my goodness, careful. Okay, I feel like they could have done a better job than the top. Oh, there it is. Do you see it? Do you see it? Do you see it? Do you see it? Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay. And now all the stuff. Okay, so a lot of people are never excited about these, but this is a godsend. Let me show you guys what I've been working with these last like 9 months. Do you see this? Do you see that? It's honestly just a matter of time before they think this thing just like completely gives up on me. So right here, godsend. Instruction manual that I will definitely be reading. I am that kind of person that reads the instructions before using something. There it is. There it is. There it is. There it is. Oh my lord. Oh my lord. Oh my goodness. I actually don't want to get my fingerprints all over it. Oh no. Oh no. I'll pick that up later too. Okay. Are you guys ready? Okay, wait, no, I want to see two. Okay. Whoop. There's the logo. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. It's super sleek looking. Oh my lord. And very, very hefty compared to the Air. It's on. You guys, it's on. Okay, hold up. I want to see what kind of size difference we're looking at here.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
I will be right with you. Oh wow, Taina, if you drop these computers, I swear to God, I will never forgive you. Not a bad little 11-inch compared to the 13-inch. I'm so excited. I'm hoping this makes editing my videos a lot faster so that I'm able to do more of them, because it's super annoying pressing play to play something back and having to wait like 4 seconds for the computer to catch up with the action that you just did. Okay, so I'm gonna go set this up. I like setting up stuff. It's my own little personal Taina blah. This name thing is a real tongue twister. It's my own personal Taina time, and I'm so excited. I've been waiting for this for like 5 days. Okay. Okay, we're gonna set this bad boy up. Ooh, my personal language is English. I live in the United States of America.